G'day, it's Tim here from Dave's Computer Tips with our usual weekly how-to roundup. Here we'll take you through a summary of all the articles published on Dave's Computer Tips blog during the previous week. You'll find a link to the blog in the description, plus a link to each and every article. Okay, we'll start off this week as per normal with our giveaway. Our current giveaway is for A Shampoo Photo Commander. All A Shampoo software is great gear, and this is a very good program. If you're a happy snapper or a professional photographer, this is the program for you. This is the best software around. Organise, edit all of your photos. Terrific stuff. It's completely free to enter, and you have a chance of winning a $50 license. We have 5 to give away, and you could win one of them. Okay, we go back to the start of the week, right back to the start, and our first article last week was from Terry, how to extend your battery life in Android. Terry shows you how a possible way to extend your battery life on an Android smartphone just using the Android settings. Next we move on to one from yours truly, and did you know that the Winamp popular media player is now available again, a brand new version? Yep, it's just been released only a few weeks ago, the final release version. Once was a very popular music player, and then development was ceased for a while, but it's been on track again for a few years now, and the final version's just been released. Then we go on to Stuart, and Stuart shows you how to control any apps in access to the internet. Now this is important because you have a lot of applications that might be phoning home without your knowledge, and this will prevent them from doing that. It's an adjunct to the Windows firewall, just a little software that you download that allows you to block access to the internet on any apps that you choose. Okay, then another one from yours truly, which is the best browser. As you can see, 33 comments. This one elicited a fair bit of comments. It's always a controversial topic, and get along and read that one and enjoy it. Then we have an Office article from our Carol, our Office expert, on how to use search in OneNote. Then from Mark Thomas, how smart is your TV? Mark's a terrific writer, always writes with a certain subtle humour. An interesting read again from Mark. And then another OneNote article from Carol, how to show all OneNote shortcuts. Then we have an article from Jimmy Canfield, the other Jim, how to colour folders in Windows. Now Jim shows you how to use colours in Windows natively, but he also introduces a little freeware that allows you to apply colours to folders. So check that one out. And then we have our usual weekly article from our mobile device and social media expert Jason, and Jason's going to show you how to manage Amazon browsing history, and that's apparently an updated version. Things change all the time, technology and software interfaces, so Jason's apparently, there's been a change there apparently, and Jason's updated that information. And last but definitely not least, we have from our editor, Richard Pedersen, a rundown of all giveaways, current and upcoming. Richard gives you the dates of each, for when each giveaway is scheduled. Oh, I've had a shocking morning this morning. I'm sorry for all the stumbling and bumbling. We'll get there. Okay, well that's about it for last week. Now, please come and pay us a visit. All the links, as I said, are in the description. Stay safe and stay well. Cheers for now.